Hi everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Pro-Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday 19th of October. Looking at Eurodollar now, which has been sort of finding a bit of support in the last couple of days, actually, last couple of sessions, bouncing off that 1730 level that we saw yesterday, but it's back towards that that sort of pivot at 1820 again, which I think is going to become an increasingly interesting level, sort of gravitated towards that, but failed at that level today as this sort of news over Spanish and Catalonia has come through and started to sort of drag the market lower again, as you can see here. But 1820 is a pivot, and once again hitting that and coming off. And you sort of look at this market and you think, well, it's not strongly negative, and certainly that rally that we saw from yesterday afternoon has improved the outlook, but the market is beginning to roll over again. Look at the stochastics, sort of mildly bear diverging. The MACD line's about to cross lower, the RSI sort of failing in the mid-60s. It's sort of, yeah, it's sort of taking on potentially a bit more of a corrective outlook once more, and I still think that this one's going to be gravitating towards 1660 in due course, and I think 1820 is that pivot that could provide the basis of resistance generally. But looking at the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, you'd sort of say that the stochastics have rolled over around neutral, the MACD lines have plateaued underneath neutral, and the RSI is sort of failing around that 50 mark as well. So it sort of takes you into a more sort of corrective outlook generally on the medium term basis, so you'd start to think about sort of selling into strength, and certainly I think that failure around that neckline again at 1820 sort of gives you that more of that sense of selling into strength again, and I still think that there is further downside that we could see in this market. I think you need to break up above that reaction high at 1880 that we saw last week to really start to generate positivity through this chart again, which, as I said, look, is increasingly corrective. So wishing you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.